Joshua Hamron, and today I'm providing an introduction of myself. I'll tell you about my childhood, my job, becoming a father, and how it's changed me. I was born and raised in Tampa, Florida, with my parents and two older sisters. My childhood was pretty good, except for growing up with two older sisters. That wasn't too bad, actually. We didn't kill each other, and we ended up having a pretty good relationship nowadays. For a change of pace, me and my family moved to North Carolina, up in the mountains. That's also where I went to high school and met my wife, Renee. After high school, I started looking towards the future and a career or a job. Our small town didn't really have much to offer as far as jobs, so I looked towards the military. I had a lot of family previously and currently in the Air Force, so the Air Force was a pretty easy choice for me for joining. I joined about 6 months after high school, and then about 6 months after that I got married to my wife Renee. I've been in the Air Force for 9 years, and my job is airfield systems. I maintain ground air radios, weather equipment, navigation systems, and landing systems. I love my job and electronics. Ever since I was a kid, I can remember always working on electronics and taking things apart. Not so much putting them back together, but nowadays I'm pretty good at that. My wife supports me in what I do, and we had many great experiences while in the Air Force. One of the best experiences that I've had so far was becoming a father. We tried to get pregnant for about 4 years, and about 4 years and one miscarriage later, we finally got pregnant, just out of the blue. We were talking about adoption, and we hadn't really tried for a couple months, and it was all of a sudden just happened. It was one of the greatest times of my life, finding out that my wife was pregnant. Soon after that, I got orders to Florida. We were currently in Spain, so we PCS'd to Florida from overseas while my wife was 8 months pregnant, which was one of the most stressful times of my life, or our life. Finding a house and move and driving down to Florida was just really stressful. Luckily we found a house, received all our furniture from overseas, and got all the house set up and everything just in time for our baby Lily to arrive. Since having a child, I've learned a lot of patience and the importance of spending time with loved ones. I sold my motorcycle. It's one of the things I've done since having a child. It gave me more money for a family vehicle, and also eliminated unnecessary risk in my life as a father. I've learned more patience since having a child, and that's also rolled into the workplace, where I've had more patience with my troops. Instead of just getting frustrated, I sit down with them, talk things over calmly, and so I'm maybe a better person overall, and a better leader. Having a child has also changed the way I look at many things, like for instance, an automobile. I used to always look at the best performance and the fastest and the best looking vehicle. Nowadays I look at it was the best quality, fuel efficiency, and the best size, bang for my buck. So having a child has affected me in a very positive way, and I'm sure it will continue to affect me throughout the rest of my life. My life has not ended up where I thought it would be, but I'm very happy where it is now. You just have to go with the flow, roll with the punches, and make the best you can out of what life throws your way. I discussed my childhood, where I grew up, my job in the Air Force, having a child, becoming a father, and the way it's affected me. Thank you.